DIY, how to make a power lawn roller. The two main parts is a mobility scooter and a lawn roller, and a few coupling pieces of material that I just had laying around the house. Okay, before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. Okay, let's get started right now. First step is to make a template to mount to the scooter.
I've never heard of this being done, and I've never seen this being done, so we will see.
Okay, we know that didn't work, so it's time for plan B. This one will work for sure. It's not hammer time, it's drill time.
And the reason why I'm putting a pilot drill in, you need to, this from here to here is the web, okay? From that point to that point is the web. So you need to put a pilot drill in larger than the web.
Ta-da! The mount is made.
Okay, I just finished filling up my lawn roller with the rainwater. Now it's time to put on the matching plate or the mounting plate.
If I could have redone this project, I would have made the mounting bar about 2 inches longer. Yes, I made this as a joke. I wanted a tractor, and my wife said the yard's too small to buy a tractor, so I made this up as a bit of a joke. You shouldn't actually do this because a couple weeks later, the transaxle broke. The part on the left and the part of the right to the large gear is supposed to be one piece. That's the part that snapped. If you take a look at some of my other videos, I do have a transaxle replacement video, and it was kind of fun putting another motor in this machine. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you got any value out of it, please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. Thanks for watching the video and have a great night.